Thank you for choosing to learn more about health topics that are important to your overall health. Geisinger Gold has added even more opportunities for you to receive rewards in 2025. In addition to earning rewards for your physical health screenings, we have created a program with specific topics to optimize your overall health. To view eligible activities and earn your rewards, visit go.geisinger.org/goldonline and either sign in or create an account. If you need to create an account, you will need your member ID number that can be found on your Geisinger Gold insurance card. When you first log in, you will be directed to the home page. This page provides many options to learn more about how to better your health. To access your rewards, click Medicare Rewards at the top of the page. This page will show you both available programs. In addition to the rewardable healthy activities, certain physical health screening rewards are available. Let's click on View Rewards to see what's available. Within physical health screenings, you can receive rewards for completing certain preventative screenings. Click View Rewards to see all preventative screenings available for 2025. After clicking View Rewards, you will see all Gold member incentives such as a mammogram, certain colon cancer screenings, osteoporosis screenings for female members who have had a recent fracture, or diabetic screenings for members who have been diagnosed with diabetes. Please talk with your doctor to determine which preventative screenings are right for you. Once you are done reviewing your physical health screenings, you can navigate back to the main program page by clicking Programs at the top of the page and then selecting which program you would like to access. Let's take a look at the new healthy activities available to you. Click View Rewards. You will receive $10 for each healthy activity topic you report complete, giving you the opportunity to earn up to $40. Health topics include urinary incontinence, fall risk, physical activity, and flu education. Click the activity you are interested in learning more about. You should see that your current activity shows 0% complete. This is a great way to check if you have completed your healthy activity. Continue to the healthy activity by clicking Earning Details. The Earning Details window will expand, so you can press Click here to take your next action. Click here to the link to access the article or video. A message will pop up on your screen letting you know the activity will open to a Geisinger website. Click Continue to move forward. The activity may open in a different screen. For example, this healthy activity for physical fitness will open a copy of the Circle magazine. You can download or save all activities for the ability to access later. Once you have reviewed the education, go back to your wellness portal to report completion and save. You can confirm you completed the activity by looking for the completion date after you have clicked Save. To complete the additional healthy activities, click View Details and then click Return to Healthy Activities 2025 Program Lobby page. You can confirm you have completed your healthy activity by checking the completion circle. This will reach 100% when you have completed all 4 activities. Rewards are issued at the end of each month. For example, if you complete 2 of the 4 rewardable healthy activities within the month, you will receive a $20 gift card. It's important to note that it can take up to 6 weeks for you to receive your reward. If you have any questions about completing your healthy activities or physical health screenings, call 866-847-1216, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Our team members are happy to help. If you received your gift card and would like to check the balance or transaction history, please call 888-573-5503. Thank you for being a Geisinger Gold member and taking steps to better health.